So right after I finished putting my machine together, I got another package. So I decided to go ahead and add that in to this video. Maybe I might not. I might just go ahead and do a totally separate video because this video was a little bit longer than I wanted it to be. So if you're watching this, you're either watching this inside of another video or it's a video of its own. Anyway, it's an ASMR video as well because it's very noisy. So hope you enjoy it and thank you for watching. So here it is, my package, my last package of the 3. Let's get this baby cut open. Probably should have had a box cutter. Here it is, guys. 8 in 1. Oh goodness, guys, this is a lot of. Woohoo! Yeah, yeah. Ooh, check it out. Check it out. So I have this one. And then I have this one. So this is the frame that holds all the fast frames. So this one here. This one, just a little bit bigger than the first one. Just a little bit. And then this one. And these are going to be good for so much stuff. Backpacks and pockets. Bag pockets. I think this is the hat hoop as well, even though one already comes with the Ricoma. So it's about to be on. Sleeve. So I can do sleeve embroidery. It's my sleeve. And another. So this is definitely, these are great additions. Definitely. I don't know what took me so long to order them. Yeah, but I did finally. And there you have it. Those are my 8-in-1 hoops from Ricoma. 8-in-1. All right, guys. Until next time.